Okay, so I'm running a little video to show you guys where I'm at here. Got the boat winch installed. So there she is. I still got to do a little bit of work on the handle. I'm going to probably heat it up and bend it and extend it. And I'll talk about that at a later time. So right now it's just sitting on there loosely. But you can see that it's mounted. I had to put 2 plates on there. Little on the top. Those are 1/4 inch steel plate. Okay. See if we can give you a little better angle here what's going on. Alright. The lighting here is a little bad, sorry about that. But that's a steel plate that goes across. Okay, it's mounted on one side over there. And then the boat winch attaches to it in the middle. So 3/4 inch plate, and there's one on the bottom. You're seeing the back side of the boat winch here. Okay. And I'm trying to kind of stay away from this boat winch because it's under load right now with 250 pounds. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah, the winding of the cable is really nasty, so I'm going to let it down and see what I can do about fixing that mess in there. But yeah. So I had to cut off some 1/4 inch flat bar and drill 5 holes for the bottom one. There's 3 mounting holes in the bottom to mount the boat winch to the plate, to the adapter that I built there and cut out and all that good stuff. Right, so 2 holes to mount it to the square tubing that I put in here. Right, and then 3 holes that mount up to the holes on the boat winch on the bottom. And then on the top, there's just really just 1 hole because it's an adjustable hole. And then 2 mounting holes on each side, so sorry it's a little blurry. I don't have autofocus on this camera. So yeah, it runs up. You guys seen this before? It goes over the pulleys. Okay, goes over the second pulley there if I could get a view of it. Okay, and this time it's coming down, 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 and yes sir, it is holding. And I didn't show you guys this before, but I crimped. Got the cable crimped with my that's how that is with what's called I think it's called a thimble. Wire wrapped around a little thimble there. And put a little hook on there, 1,000-pound rated hook, and there's the weight. And is it off the ground? Well, yeah, of course it is. It's only about I don't know, 8 inches off the ground or so right now, but 6 to 8 inches, but there it is. Hard time to light in the garage here, but so there it is. And I don't really want to go any higher because it's just a test to see how things are at. And oh, that's the plate sitting off the ground there, right? Okay. This goes up, looks up and goes there, top. So it's holding the load of 250 pounds anyway. And you know, I kind of looked around to see if any of the pulley threaded rod was bent at all with that load. No bending anywhere. The front of the structure is, you know, it's not carrying as much of the load, but the back definitely is, because that's where the weight's hanging from. So anyway, that's where we're at. Cutting the material for the plate was pretty simple. Just used the cutoff blade with my little trusty grinder. That poor little cutoff blade has been pretty much out of life. But yeah, and then I've seen that before. The old little tiny drill press. I just clamped it down and drilled my holes. They had to be very accurate holes, so that was the measurement was a little rough, but I got that figured out. And cool beans, man, we're in good shape here. So the next things to do is I got to change out the cable on the wheel. Right now it's just this little dinky guy. So we're going to change it out to the same width as that one. And then And then after that, I gotta figure out a way to get the wheel to stay in a locked position so I could transfer the cable from the wheel onto the hook. Let the wheel carry the load. And once the wheel has a load, then I can unhook the other hook that you're seeing here. So that's the next thing to figure out, which hopefully we'll see how the wheel handles that. This wheel may need to be pulled down and replaced. I don't know yet. And I have some ideas how to do that, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, cool progress. Alright guys, so that's it. And I'll let you know when I got more going on, alright? Thanks for hanging with me. Later.